Hey everyone, time for another unboxing video, and this week we've ordered a Mooka air purifier. Beyond elegance. It's good for up to about 400 square feet, which is perfect for our tiny home that we just moved into here in the desert. And I think it's going to dramatically improve our air quality, I hope. So, first impressions, ta-da! It is sleek and about 1 foot high, about maybe 6 inches or so across. And it is pretty nice looking, I would say. It comes with a cord. It seems to be about 3 feet in length. Yeah, about 3 feet or so. And let's see, some controls. Flip it over. And this is where the filter goes in, the HEPA filter. It comes in this plastic wrapping, so it's important to take it out before it's using for the first time. And it has this little pulley thing, so that'll go right here so it's easier to remove. And I think you're supposed to change it every 3 months, but I don't know. Don't quote me on that one. Alright, so let's see how it goes. I'm plugging it in. It has a little plug in the back. And let's see, we'll hit the power button. And so you can hear it, it's currently set on low. We'll set it to medium. And high. And S appears to be sleep mode. And that's quite quiet, it's barely audible. And so we'll set it to low, and it seems like there's a timer function here where it's probably turns off at 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. And then at the top there's this little night light. And so if you don't want that on, I think you could just hold this down and it turns right off. And so we'll just leave that running, and yeah, there you have it.